Today we come up with a new tasty chicken masala or bhaji. It is a Ramazan special recipe. Ingredients are bajji chili, coriander leaves, carrot, 100 grams boneless chicken pieces, 1 onion, 1 potato, cheese. First, chop the onion. Next, chop the carrot. Chop the potato. Finally, chop the coriander leaves. Then remove the seeds inside the bhaji chilies, put into a bowl. We can add the seeds to our spice making. Half a teaspoon chili powder. Add half teaspoon salt. 1/4 turmeric powder to the cleaned chicken and boiled it. Put a fry pan on the stove, pour some oil in the pan. Put all the chopped onion. Next, add the bhaji chili seeds, that taken earlier in a bowl. After some time, add the chopped potato. And add the sliced carrot. Cook very well. Put the boiled chicken in a mix jar and chop finely. Then add it into the masala. Then cook 2 minutes very well. Then add a pinch of all spices masala powder. Add the coriander leaves chopped before. Then cook 1 or 2 minutes. After the cook, take the seedless bajji chilies and fill this masala in it. Add some cheese to the chili. Take a bowl, add some gram flour, all-purpose flour, half cup of water and salt. Mix well until it in a thick loosely consistency. Put a pan on the stove and add oil in it. Take the masala-filled bhajis and dip into the draught. Cook very well until its color change into a brown yellowish color. Very tasty and yummy Ramazan special masala bhaji is ready now. Serve it in a beautiful bowl.